In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line through a given point. In this example, we have a line that passes through the point -2, -8 and is parallel to y equals -2x plus 5. We're going to write the equation of the parallel line. So first we're going to start by typing in the equation of the line that we're given. And we're also going to type in the point in the next line. You can check this button to label that point, or you can leave it off. Either way. If you check it to label it, you'll see it. It's a little bit off the screen. The label appears on this button. All right. I'll resize that so you can see it still. Now we're going to type in y equals mx plus b, which is the general form of an equation in slope-intercept form. It gives us the option to add sliders. We're going to select all. So we've created a slider for m and for b. If I click this play button, you'll see how the slope automatically changes for that line in green. And I can do the same thing for b, for the y-intercept. Step 4 says use the slider to set the slope. So for parallel lines, slopes must be equivalent. So I can drag this slider until my lines have the same slope, or I can just click right here and change that number manually. Step 5 says use the slider for B to adjust the y-intercept until the line goes through that point. So I'm sliding this line and it reaches a point where I can't get to the ordered pair. So what I need to do is click here and I can adjust this range. So I'm going to say -20. And now I can drag my slider a little bit further. I want it to go straight through the center of that point. And you'll see that happens at -12. So using those two pieces of information, y equals -2x minus 12 is the equation of my new line. You can see that the lines are parallel and that the new line goes through the ordered pair -2, -8. If I click and hold down on this circle, I can change that line to be a different color. You can also toggle the lines on and off by selecting that dot. I hope this video was helpful.